Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome guys. If you're new, this is your first time here, wow, that truly means a lot to me that you have selected this video. And welcome, my name is Jasmine. Today I am going to be doing double unboxing. That means for the base and premium box already for the month of April. I'm so excited. I love the theme, and I feel like based on the spoilers that I share with you guys, I'm already excited. I couldn't wait to get this box, and it's finally here. This was sent to me by Boxycharm to review and to share with you guys and try it out and let you know what I think and show you one of the variations, since you know we have been getting so many variations, but I'm still waiting for mine. I have not received the tracking number at all, but I'm so excited to see what's coming because I feel like most of the products are already so great that I just can't wait to try them. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and start with these that I got. I think I'm going to share. It looks a little bit different. I am going to move and I'm starting to pack already, so sorry that it does seem a little different, and I don't know if this is going to be the last time I'm going to record here. Hopefully not, but that's why it looks a little bit off. As you know, the theme is boxy treats. It's such a cute box, so colorful, perfect for Easter. Well, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my eye makeup look and me applying some of these products as I talk about it, so you guys get to see how it works in my skin. And let's start with the first product that you try or that you start with. In this case it's gonna be skincare. Skincare was one of the products that I got in this box. As you know, it was one of the choice items. I remember reading all the ingredients. I was like, wow, this sounds like a great product, but I chose the primer instead of this. Last thing I was going to apply is this and the moisturizer. And this, I also tried it last night because I have sensitive skin. I wanted to make sure that it works great on my skin. My skin was a little bit red last night, so I usually like to have products or ingredients that are going to calm my skin, and I think this is perfect. And this is my first ampoule. I wanted to add ampoule in my skincare routine, so I'm glad I got this. This one's called Aurora, and it looks exactly what it's called, superfoods. It feels like almost like oil, but it's an ampoule, so that's why I wanted to add it later on. The scent is not bad, and you guys are going to be seeing it's just drops. It does feel at first like oils. You only need 2 or 3 drops alone. This one, guys, retail for $32. So if you guys selected this is truly a great choice. Next thing that I tried was after I applied the primer, which I'm going to show you on my next unboxing, then I went in with Dragon Beauty. This is the second time we see this brand, but this corrector is different. There's 2 different colors that I believe we're going to be getting. This one is the lavender shade, and I'm going to be showing you a picture that I got from her website that shows you exactly where you should apply it. And when I read about the lavender, I don't know if it was going to apply to me, but it does work for people that have like pigmentation, dark spots, and that's exactly what I needed to tackle. I'm not sure if this did anything different, especially around my under the eye area, but I believe it was around on this section here. I had a dark spot, I applied it, and I feel like it's doing a really good job. So I don't know if I will use this every day, but if I want to cover those areas, I think that it worked pretty good. The retail value for this is $25, and this is a Dragon Fire Color Corrector. The thing that I do like in addition to this is that it's saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, and it truly does blend effortlessly. It blends really nicely. It means that it did not dry out, and I had no problems at least blending this corrector. Now it was time for me to apply my foundation. I applied the foundation from Fenty Beauty, which is the one that we got in the Boxy Luxe. Then I started and I went in with a concealer, and that is a product that is going to be in the premium box, but I got that separate to try it out. And this is from Natasha Denona. I feel like it was the right shade, but it does say matte, and I did not read that when I applied that. And that's something that I noticed, that once you apply it, I let it sit for a little bit, and then once I started blending, it had dried. So it truly, once it dries, it's just gonna stay there. So it does look like It's going to conceal really good, but you guys, once you apply, you have to blend it quickly. At least that's what happened to me. So bad. I don't know if it covered as much as I wanted. Next item I have on this box is as you know, it's going to be a variation, and I got finally the Natasha Denona. This is exactly the same one that I wanted. I love the colors, and once I got it, I was like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with this palette because of the colors? There's only 2 matte shades, the rest are shimmers. So what do? And this one is called Jubilee, and the price for this one is $48. I truly love the shades, and you guys are going to be seeing me applying and doing this my eye makeup look just using this palette. Well, actually, I use this palette and I use the iconic London palette. Moving on, guys, the next item that I got here was this lipstick. This lipstick is from Laura Geller, and this is called Iconic Base Sculpting Lipstick. This one retails for $21. The shade that I got is Valerie Park Bronze. This is a metallic shade, and look at that shape of that lipstick. Truly different. Look at the print on that lipstick. I love that it does have that cap that it just locks quickly. And this is a creamy, vibrant color that's gonna feel weightless, and it's gonna last all day. This has a curved bullet shape that's gonna allow for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. Last, for this box, I've got a cleanser, but it's not a face cleanser. This is a body cleanser. This is from Terre de Mars. I don't know how you say it, but interesting name. I hope I am not messing up how I said it. 008, and this is Radition Body Cleanser. This one retails for $22. This cleanser is infused with bioactive ingredients like coffee. I love that. I love my iced coffee. Also has rosemary extract. Is also infused with verbena oil, and together with what they're gonna do is they're gonna tone and purify and protect the skin, while aloe vera is also included here to nourish and soften your skin. I'm confused at first because I don't think I've seen a body product cleanser in a base box, but I don't mind, and I just can't wait to try it because it does have so many great ingredients. So I'm not mad with this box. This is how this box looks like. This one, guys, retails for $148. Such a pretty box, and I'm excited, guys. I really like this box. I like most of the products here. I think this was a good variation. I also did a video yesterday. I'm gonna put it on this section so you guys could check it out. This video, I am showing you guys a full box reveal, and in there you guys get to see different variations. So now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. And the premium box, as you know, is $35, and it's gonna have 6 products. But one thing I'm excited about, we were able to pick 2 choice items. Yeah, I'm excited, guys, because that means 2 of those items that are gonna be in the boxes we selected, we love, we can't wait to get. And this one is, it's funny because the items that I selected are not in this variation, so that means I get to try more products. So here is the iconic huge palette. This one is a Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. It has 20 shades from shimmers to matte, and look how pretty this is. One thing that I noticed that you guys are gonna see me using this palette on this video, most of the shades here are very similar to the Natasha Denona, so I feel like you could create this eye makeup look just using this palette. The only thing that we don't have is that mint shimmer. Very pretty. I wanted to use more of these purple shades here because that's my color, but I wanted to kind of use that mint from Natasha Denona. So it's such a pretty palette. This one, guys, retails for $62. So if you selected this is a good pick. The next product we got is, guys, Fenty Beauty. You cannot go wrong with this brand. I mean, I never got the primer. I felt like it was a little expensive, but I'm excited to try it. I did apply this today. This one, I believe, retails for $32, and this is a Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I love that if it's gonna cover my pores and my shine. I have oily skin, I have all those complications that it's mentioning, so I hope that it does work, and I'm excited to try this and get this in our boxes. Next, we got the NARS blush. I don't know if this is a choice you guys selected. This is a blush. This is it said this is the best-selling blush that delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color. Is matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. This one retails for $30, and when I saw the shade that I got, I was like, whoa, this is pretty bright. Do a swatch so you guys can see. Look how pretty that is. So very pretty. Let me know guys if you selected that that product. Incredible Cosmetic Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. This is a duo. This one retails for $24. What is interesting about this is that this has crystals in the tip, I believe, but also inside of the product. Glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. I say retails for $24. I don't want to open it because I think I'm going to be giving this away. Also mention guys, here's an Natasha Denona, and this is the concealer. I think I got the right shade. The shade that I got is 4N, and it's a neutral color. But yeah, I'm going to try it again, and once I apply it, I'm going to blend it right away and see how that works for me. Next on this box, I got something interesting, and it's something that I've been hearing also from estheticians, that they're liking these type of removal pads. They're bamboo makeup removal pads. This is from Luxe and Willow. There's 4 pieces in here. I love that it comes in this little bag. These are antimicrobial. That's exactly what I need, especially for acne prone skin. Also hypoallergenic. Reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup. You could also apply your toner. You could actually clean your skin with this while reducing waste for the environment. Use the mesh bag included to machine wash it. How perfect is that? Just put it here and just wash it in there. I'm excited to try this. This is something I'm gonna start trying, and this one retails for $20, guys. I think that's it. I show you guys everything. Whoa, that was quick. Next I got is the Dose of Colors eyeliner. I'm actually wearing this eyeliner, and I'm loving that it's not a black shade. It's another fun shade, and this one, I don't know what the shade is called, maybe Baby. And look at this, it's like a dark contour green color, and then on the other side it has the for you to sharpen it. How clever is that? So I don't know if you could tell, but I do have that eyeliner, and I thought that was a really cute color. It wasn't all black, so I like that. It was very creamy to apply. So I'm glad that we got, again, Dose of Colors. This is my premium box. I'm impressed with this box. This is a lot of the stuff, I feel like it's mostly makeup. I think, yeah, it's all makeup here. So another great box that we got. Remember, Natasha Denona was separate for me to try it on, but yeah, this was a great variation. And the price for this one retails for $183. So even though it's $183, I am impressed, and I like to get those products here that I wanted to get. And I think that palette is a really nice palette, a really nice touch. And yeah, guys, I feel like April killed it. It was a great month, a great variation altogether. I just can't wait to get the boxes that I selected. I know it's going to be a totally different variation because the choice items were not the ones that I selected. But in the meantime, you guys got to see what is coming for the month of April. So guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye. So now we're gonna get started with this tutorial. We're gonna be using both palettes, the Iconic London and Natasha Denona. I want to start warming up the crease, and I'm gonna start with this soft shade. It's called Sun Kiss. I'm using a big fluffy brush just to kind of start warming up that upper part of the crease close to the brow bone. And once I was happy with the shade, I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go with the shade called Tan Lines. And this one, I'm applying it right in the crease. I start right in the center because it's the highest point, and then I blend it left and right. Then I'm going to go with another cute shade. It's called Tequila Sunrise. Guys, this shade reminds me so much of that same color we have in the Natasha Denona, so I feel like this will be pretty easy to do this look using both of these palettes. Continue blending that with a nice blending brush, going back and forth, and just continue packing those shades in until you're happy with the consistency. Now just cleaning my brush, now I'm just blending those colors upwards just to make sure that they are more uniform, blended together, and they're going up to closer to the brow bone. And once again, I'm going to use that blending brush and start right there in the crease in the center and blend that back and forth. Now I'm using the Natasha Denona palette. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I feel like it really gave the colors that I was looking for. Then I'm going to use a product with the Q-tip. You guys could cut the crease with the concealer, but I am liking this technique. I just used the Q-tip and just put that right in there. We got this product a few months back, and start cutting the crease. Once I'm happy with how it looks, let it dry and apply some concealer. I really like the dose of colors, and I really like it because it's really light, and just make sure that it's uniform, so then when you apply the shades right on top, it blends nicely, or you see the pigmentation shows a lot more. I thought this shade called Moonlit, it was going to be lighter, but it was, I think, the same shade from the Natasha Denona, giving me that soft yellow tone. I used a brush, a flat brush, but using the fingers would work much better. Now I'm going to use another flat brush, and I'm going to take this shade called Mimosa. It's a matte shade, and I'm putting that right in the center, and right on top I'm planning to apply that gold or yellow shimmer from the Natasha Denona. And once I put this together, I realized both shades were very similar, so that's why I'm saying both of these palettes have similar colors. Then I'm gonna go with that mint shimmer right in the outer part of the lid, and just apply that. Continue applying it until you're happy. And then with a flat brush, I'm gonna go back to that last shade that we used, that is Tequila Sunrise, and pack that in the outer corner, and with a blending brush go ahead and blend that out. I really like how this came out. Once I blend that, I continue blending that Tequila Sunrise, and then I added a little bit more of that mint color since it did blend out a little bit. Once you're happy with how it looks like, just apply that same Tequila Sunrise in the bottom and that yellow Mimosa shade, and I think this will complete this look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I truly like both of these palettes, and I just can't wait to see what you guys think once you get your boxes. So thank you guys, and until the next video, bye.